There are a number of different trading strategies you can follow when trading Forex. We're going to look at 4 of the basic ones. Firstly, day trading. Day trading does pretty much what it says on the tin. It's the ability to place your trades throughout the day, in and out of the market, whether long or short, but not rolling anything overnight or rolling anything into a period where you can't be at your trading screen. One of the most important parts about trading is knowing what positions you have on and keeping track of the market. If you day trader, you don't roll anything overnight into another session. Everything is closed at the end of your trading day. The next one is trend following. Trend following is almost the opposite to what day trading is, because trend following means that you will follow the trend and stay within that market until you want to close it out. So let's say, for argument's sake, a trend can last from anything between 10 minutes to 10 years. So trend following is a real basic trading strategy. You either buy into it and follow it higher, or sell into it and follow it lower. The old adage is the trend is your friend, which basically means if you buy into it, just let it follow it higher, or follow it lower if you sell into it. Technical analysis. Now, of course, using technical analysis is the study of charts and the price action throughout charts. There are a number of different basic forms of TA that we can look at. Things like support and resistance, which are basically levels that have been important in the past, which could become important again in the future. Technical analysis is the staple of most forms of trading strategies. It's almost a part of trend following as well. The 3 basic things that you get within technical analysis are trends, support and resistance. And within the Forex market, because of the volatility, this makes the technical analysis very popular indeed. The last one is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is the study of the news. Now, anything can make the Forex markets move. That is one of the major advantages. You've got economic releases, geopolitical situations, elections, and even small little points to even stock or commodity news. They can all move the Forex markets. So following fundamental, being a fundamental analyst is key when you're looking at trading Forex. Now, the ideal trade will incorporate all of these things, but with so many things to look at, it's important that you make sure that you're not clouding your judgment with too much and very much sticking to the basics. To learn more and improve your trading knowledge, open an Alpari MT4 demo account today.
Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. Just want to share with you a little strategy. This is a short-term strategy that we use. Now you notice that I've marked some vertical lines here. Now this is in history because the market is closed at the time that I'm making this recording. But you can tell when this indicator turned blue right here that was a change from red to blue. So we start looking at that. So this is on a 1-hour chart. Now I'm going to go to a 15-minute chart. That's what you're really wanting to trade, is the 15 and the 5-minute here. But we're trading in the direction of a trend of a larger time frame. So we don't know how long that's going to last, but we know that any time that the market turns up, we want to buy, then that's what we're going to do on a shorter time frame to time our entry. Go to the 5-minute, the 15-minute. And here's an alert. Now this alert started clear down here and just rolled up as that bar formed. But so you're taking buy signals. Total was about 25 pip move, so you could have taken out between around 10-15 pips for sure on that one before it came back on you. Now you're still looking for buy signals, so you don't worry about taking this short move here, but you start entering here, and there's a good 20 pip move on that. This is on going from 15. Now let's actually time our entry better by going to the 5-minute. So you could go from the 1 hour to the 15, but usually we're really looking for the 15 and the 5 is where we want to time our entries. So we have I got a good 20 pip move if you went to the 5-minute, and you see you're taking the same 2 trades. This is almost 25 pips that you could have had on some pretty straightforward moves. Now let's go back to the 1 hour. That was during a time the market really wasn't moving all that great. Now let's even go to a time when it's even less movement right here. Now we're still on the 1 hour chart, and we're just looking at this little area right here. It only went up for a couple of hours and then started coming down and went sideways for a while. That's the 1 hour, so you're looking for the trend. The strategy is to then, once you know what the trend is, to go to the 15-minute. Okay, and here's another signal to get in. And we know these are short moves. That was only a 10 pip move, but that's all we're looking at in a sideways market like we're seeing up there. But here's what the 5-minute looks like. You're waiting. You don't trade just because the 1 hour changed. You wait until you get a signal on a smaller time frame. That was a 13 pip move. Now let's go back and look at the 1 hour again. You can see that that wasn't during the time that the market was moving much at all. But we know the overall trend is up, and so we kind of check that on a 1 hour. If the 1 hour is going in the right direction, then we take the trade. So hope that was of help to you. Find the trend on the larger time frame and go and time your entries on smaller time frames. We have alerts and signals to be able to show you how to do this. So visit us at www.fxstrategysecrets.com and learn more about some of the short-term strategies, long-term strategies, a whole bunch of different strategies that we have available. See you later.
Welcome to Easy Pips Formula. My name is Robert Bradley, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make as much as $2,000 to $3,000 a day trading forex from home. What's more, what I'm about to show you is 100% legal and is in no way a scam or scheme. This is a legitimate way to make real money while being your own boss and working from home. You don't need a college degree or years of extensive training. You also don't need to have a lot of money in the bank. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can get started with a small investment of just $100 and then turn that investment into $6,500 in 10 weeks or less. How does that sound? Good, I hope. Look, I know there are a lot of forex robots and systems out there that don't deliver. That's why I've backed my system with a 60-day risk-free guarantee. You either make money with this system or you'll get your purchase price back. In other words, you finally come across a system that really works. A system that you can use to generate income to pay off your debts, or even to make enough to quit that boring day job and work from home. As I said earlier, this system isn't difficult and anyone can use it, no matter what your trading experience or knowledge level. With this system, you only work an hour or two a day, or even less if you want. I have many protégés who only work a half hour tops each day, and they still make tens of thousands of dollars a month and hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. You could realistically be earning 400 to 600 pips a week in no time. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some trades using this system. Let's open the GPB USD timeframe 4H. As you can quickly see on the screen, Easy Pips Formula clearly displays proprietary indicators for you to follow, and you don't have to worry, these indicators do not repaint. You'll be able to easily see on your screen where to enter, where to exit, and stop loss and take profit, so you never have any hard decisions to make. Just follow the indicators and make money. On the chart on your screen now, there are 3 winning trades identified, and that's just over a market period of 3 days. Think of all the winning trades you'll see over the course of a few weeks or a few months. Maybe now you can get an idea of how fast Easy Pips Formula can make your account balance grow. Plus, this system works with all currency pairs, with all time frames, and with all types of markets. Now, let's look at how many pips you would have earned had you had Easy Pips Formula and made the 5 trades on your screen. The short first trade produced 165 pips. The second long trade made 165 pips again. Trade 3 made 237 pips. That's a total of 567 pips over the course of 3 days using just a single currency pair. Now, let's look at another pair just to show you this is standard operating procedure with Easy Pips Formula and not some fluke situation. Let's go to the pair USD-CHF timeframe 4H again. Here we see 4 winning trades. The first long trade made 210 pips. Trade 2 yielded 286 pips. Trade 3 made 143 pips, and trade 4 made 97 pips. That's a total of 736 pips made over just 4 days. This is not like a robot that makes trades for you and that can wipe out your account over the course of one afternoon if the market changes the wrong way. With Easy Pips Formula, you are the boss. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to succeed with this system. You can get started with as little as a $100 investment, and you can use the system with a demo account first, just to make sure it works like I say it will. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take action and start turning your dreams into reality. You can learn more about this system by reading the rest of this page. Thanks so much for your attention.
Hi there, this is Chris from highprobabilityfx.com and welcome to this short video about the Forex Factory calendar. Before we start, don't forget to click on the link below this video to get a free copy of my high probability trading strategy. So here I am on the Forex Factory homepage. They already show the news events for the current day here, but if you click on the calendar tab, you will have some more options. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that the time displayed here matches your local time or the time on your computer clock, so that the times displayed in the table below will be in your local time. If this doesn't match your local time, just click on the clock and change the time zone setting to your local time zone. Once you've changed your time zone settings, you can save the changes and then just click on the calendar button to go back to the main calendar again. On the left hand side you can view the scheduled news events for any day in the past or future, and in this table you can see the scheduled events for the day you selected. For each news release you can see the scheduled time, the currency it affects and the impact it has on that currency. The difference between the actual versus the forecasted values usually determine what the impact will be on the currency in question. But unless you are into news trading specifically, these values are not particularly important. Now this calendar is used in a number of ways by traders, but the most common way to utilize it is to simply help you stay out of trades when the market is too volatile. I personally ignore the low and medium impact news events and only focus on high impact ones that are marked in red. When a high impact news release is coming up, I make sure that I don't have any open trades on that specific currency for at least an hour before and an hour after the news release. So if you look at the retail sales announcement for the Australian dollar here as an example, it is wise to be out of currency pairs like AUD, USD and Euro AUD around this time. But of course the impact of these news releases all depend on your own trading strategy. If you use a longer term strategy on the higher time frames, then these news releases may not have such a big impact on you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to visit my website for a free copy of my high probability forex strategy. Bye for now.